Hello, tech enthusiasts, innovators, and developers. I'm Alex CodeMaster, your future tech innovation specialist. Today, we are going to delve into the world of API development. Now, whether you're a seasoned developer or a newbie starting out, APIs, or application programming interfaces, are going to be a crucial part of your journey. So, let's explore some API development best practices together. Shall we? Let's start with the basics. What is an API? It's a set of rules and protocols for building and interacting with software applications. APIs allow different software systems to communicate with each other, which is essential in our interconnected tech universe. Now, creating a great API isn't just about writing code. It's about thinking ahead, designing with the end user in mind, and ensuring long-term adaptability. Let's break it down into some key best practices. First up, consistency. This is the backbone of any good API. Ensuring that your API is consistent in its design and implementation will make it easier for others to understand and use. This means consistent naming conventions, error messages, and response formats. Next up, documentation. The importance of clear, comprehensive documentation can't be overstated. This is what helps your users understand how to use your API effectively. Always keep it up to date and make sure it includes real-world examples. Then we have versioning. As your API evolves, changes are inevitable. Versioning allows you to introduce these changes without disrupting existing users. It's about future-proofing your API. And of course, security. In today's world, security is paramount. Ensuring your API has robust security measures in place, such as authentication and encryption, is a must. Finally, testing. Regular and thorough testing allows you to catch and fix issues before they become major problems. Consider using automated testing tools to streamline this process. So, that's a quick overview of some API development best practices. Remember, developing a successful API isn't just about the technical aspects. It's about creating something that's secure, user-friendly, and future-ready. It's about providing a bridge for software systems to communicate seamlessly. As we move further into this interconnected digital age, APIs will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping our technological landscape. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, the future of innovation is in your hands. Until next time, this is Alex CodeMaster, signing off.